1 started revision of periodic test 2 lesson number 3, 4 and 5 in periodic test 2 examination. Lesson number 3 subtraction within 20. Worksheet 1 cross out the to subtract, cross out to find the difference. 8 minus 4, total 8 triangles are there, you have to cut 4 and remaining are the 4 number. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 7 minus 5, total 7 boxes are there, 5 we have to cut, so 2 are remaining. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Like that, given number is there that you have to cut. Here you can see 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining are 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the answer. Like that, you have to solve other questions. Using number line, subtract, you can see start with 7. So you have to start at 7 for this 4 questions. Start at 7. Minus 3. So 3 step you have to backward. So this is number 7. 3 step 1, 2, 3. You reached on number 4. So number 4 is the answer. Again go to 7 minus 5. So 7 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 2 you reached. So 2 is the answer. Minus 4. So 7 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. Don't count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 3 you reach number 3. So 3 is the answer. Again start at 7. So you have to go to 7 again. Minus 7. So 7. Don't count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 is the answer. Like that you have to do with same. Start at 9 and start at 8 also. Using parts of number. So here is the marble and these are the jars. You have to adjust marbles in the jar according to instruction. Use 6 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 1 marbles in the jar on left and rest of other in another jar. So you have to put 1 marble in a left jar. This is left jar, so you have to put 1 marble here. If 1 marble you put here, so remaining 5s are here. Total 6. Okay, total 6 marbles. Put all marbles equally in a both jar. Equal in the sense 1, 2, 3 in this jar, 1, 2, 3 in this jar, 3 and 3. So equal. Use 6 marbles. Put 2 more marbles in the jar of right as compared to the left. So in the right jar you have to put 2 more marbles. So 2 more marbles. After 2 more you have 4 marbles. So 2 in this and 2 in this. Total in right jar there are 4 marbles, left jar 2 marbles. Sorry. Page number 31, worksheet 3. You have to circle here the answer. This side is answer line. Okay, this is the answer and these are the question. Now you have to circle the question for this answer. 0 is the answer. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 10 minus 1 is not 0. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So ये circle नहीं होगा. 6 minus 6 is 0. So this will circle. 1 answer कब आएगा? 6 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 6 not 1, 2 answer आएगा. 9 minus 8, 1. Like that 2 आंसर कब आएगा? 10 minus 2 तो 8 आंसर आता है. 9 minus 7 2 आएगा. 3 minus 5 minus 3 2 आएगा. 2 minus 0 2 आंसर आएगा. इस तरीके से आपको रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करने हैं. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, वर्कशीट 4. Here is the story sum. This is the story. Here is the picture and here is the statement of subtraction. In the exam this picture will not came, this written subtraction will not came. You have to write only from this story. You have to complete the question. Kunal had 8 pencils. He lost 2 pencils. There are dash pencils left with him. Total 8 pencils, 2 lost, total 6 remaining. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Like that there are 8 worms on a leaf, 2 under the leaf. So total 8 worms leaf, these 2 are under the leaf, remaining are the 6 worms. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Like that you have to solve next questions. It is very simple. Moving to the next, worksheet 5, and here you have to count forward using subtraction method, but you have to choose a smaller number. From this 2, 5 is the smaller and you have to count forward from the smaller number. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Why till 8? Because 8 is here. So till 8 we have to count, and 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are there, so 3 is the answer. like that you can do here 6 minus 4. So 4 is the smallest number, okay, 4 is the small number, so count forward 4 5 6, only 6. Why? Because 6 is there, so we reached on 6. 1 and 2, two numbers are there, so 2 is the answer. This is how you have to solve other question also. Moving to the next question, subtraction with a picture. 12 tomatoes are there and you have to cut 4 of them. 1 2 3 4, 4 we cut, remaining tomatoes are 8. 16 cauliflower are there, 5 we have to cut, 11 cauliflower remaining. So this is very simple. Here you have to draw the stick and then after cut the stick and count and write the correct answer. 11 minus 2, 11 sticks are there, 2 you have to cut, remaining sticks are 9. 15 sticks you have to draw, 3 cut, and 12 is the answer. Like that, solve next questions. Worksheet 7, page number 35. Using number strip, you have to answer the following question and decoder are here. So first 16 minus 6, 16 here. Moving to the 6th step, 10 is the answer. And on the 10 answer, which alphabet? 10 answer, Y is there. So 10 answer, Y is there. You have to write. 18 minus 9, 18 is here. And if you move back step to 9th step and you reached on 9 number, on 9 number there is O. So 9 O, so E is here. Like that you have to solve other questions, and here is the decoder message for you, and the message is your name. Moving to the next, worksheet 8. There are 7 mangoes, again story sum, okay, 7 mangoes are there, 2 you eat, how many remaining? So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, 5 mangoes are remaining. There are 9 ice creams in a fridge, my brother and I ate 1 ice cream each. Now each means 1 ice cream you also eat and 1 ice cream your brother also eat. So 1 and 1, 2 ice creams you ate. From 9 ice cream, 2 you eat, so remaining ice creams are 7. Okay, like that you have to solve next question. Only this we done in the Monday and Tuesday period. Okay, Monday and Tuesday both the lecture we complete revision till here only. So you have to complete these questions. I send you homework also, so you have to complete homework also. On Thursday I will send you practice paper. The practice paper is similar to periodic test paper. Questions are not similar but pattern, okay, the question types are same. So from the question type you have to only write that practice paper in your maths notebook. Okay, don't solve, do not solve the paper, you just have to write questions from the practice paper in your maths notebook. Okay, and we will solve practice paper on Monday. Okay, this practice paper will help you to solve periodic test paper which you are going to solve by your own only. So this will help for practice paper. Okay, thank you.